Welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how to clean buzzer speaker for sounds on the phone, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. We need one round stick, approximately or up to the teeth. We seal it with isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, or if you don't have that, use spirit over 90% so that it simply evaporates after our operation. And we will get to work. We have the buzzer here. These are the little holes exactly, and we need to clean it. First in one direction, then in the other direction, and then in a third direction, back and forth, until it's completely clean. It's best to use a round one because it will clean thoroughly. If we don't have one, a regular one will do. Just make sure it has stiff synthetic bristles. Here we have one from a set. This brush comes from such a set. You can go one way, or you can go the other way, moving all the way up, and then back down again. This way the whole socket will get cleaned, while the buzzer, will get a loud sound when the bells ring or the music plays. That's all. Now we leave the phone for 10 minutes so the alcohol can evaporate and we can use it normally. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you next time.